Guys, what the wuck is up? It's Mark, check it out. Sweating my balls off right now, so bad, it's crazy. It's so friggin' humid out here. Anywho, I'm gonna show you guys this gorgeous 2004 Jeep Wrangler X. It's a two-door, it's automatic, it's got like 130-something thousand on it. I wanna give you a little 130,768 to be exact. Today is the 5th of September. It is 6:30-something, 6:36. Anyways, let me give you guys a little insight on how to check for certain things on Jeeps and whatnot that some people may not know or already probably do know or not be good to the fullest extent of checking this type of thing out. And this is critical because it costs me a lot of money and I want to pass it on, some information to you guys when checking a Jeep out, especially this year or these two doors from like, shit, they go way back up until like 06 or something like that. They had this famous problem for rust on the frame. Now, keep in mind, the body of this one it's fine. There's maybe a little bit of surface rust here or there. That's it. Now, the frame on one spot in particular, I'm going to show you guys. They are famous for fucking rusting out. And I'm going to get up under here and show you right here. So here's the front of the Jeep, okay? Here's the front of the Jeep. Right here, absolutely famous for rusting the hell out. After it rusts out and you go get inspected, the inspector catches it and says, okay, this frame is not roadworthy. Guess what? He's going to fail it. Guess what you got to do? Go buy a new frame just like I did. I bought a new frame, got it completely undercoated. The frame, I have pictures of before and after. There's no rust on the frame at all. This is the drop bracket, basically the bark. So these are kind of shitty condition, whatever, but these are painted. I got them undercoated as well. The frame now on this is solid as shit. Now, keep in mind, guys, you want to look on both sides of this frame when you go to buy a Jeep like this. Check it out on the inside, which I mean is by right here. I don't know if you can see that if I'm filming properly. Right there. And famous right there on both sides. Check out that control arm area right there. That little ear that comes off of it. Right there. Critical spot. So moving on with the Jeep. Anyways, you got a nice new frame on this Jeep. It's spotless. Runs and drives great. The top's great. It's a best stop, I want to say it is. It's a 6-banger, so it's a it's a 6-cylinder Jeep. Awesome condition. A few rock chips on the front. Paint's in great shape. Tires are good on it. It's got plenty of tread. These are Pacer wheels right here. These are a 10-hole or 8-hole wheel wrapped in a set of General Grabber AT2 tires. Awesome tire. Drives straight as an arrow. The Jeep's in great shape, like I said. Really nice Jeep. It's got the WeatherTech or the Husky floor liners on them. Low battery, kiss my ass, low battery. Husky floor liners on them. 4-wheel drive, automatic transmission, but who gives a who? Seats are in great shape right here. Back seat's got a small rip in it right there. You'll see right here. Top's in good shape. It's got I want to say this is I forget what lift is in this Jeep. Maybe a 3 or 4 inch, probably 3 inch, 2.5, 3 inch, if that. But it gives it a very aggressive stance. You can see the tires, they barely, about 2 inches, 3 inches they stick out, but you know, for a Jeep, that's tough. The engine bay's in great shape. I'll show you guys in the engine bay. And, oh my God, this hood is piping hot. Anyways, there it is. No rust on the inner side of the fenders. It's super clean. The firewall's clean, under the hood's clean. No rust. You go back here, you look inside there. Super nice. No rust along the inside, which they're famous for rusting right there too. So that's it. And hope you guys like this Jeep. So I'll do more videos later on of it when I get some time to drive it around and show you guys. Here's a walk around while I'm at it. You got a little bit of a rust right here at the bottom of the door because you see it's not compromised or anything. It's just a tiny bit. And that's really it. It's the only spot. So, but yeah, everything else is great. Everything works in it. Full-size spare, full-size tire. So there it is. Hope you guys like this Jeep. I'll start it up once you guys hear it. They're fun as hell. Super fun. Fresh oil change and inspection. I got to bring it back to the inspection station and get a sticker on it with the new frame because they're going to pass it now. Ice cold AC, ice cold. On a day like today, you kind of need it. Friggin' hot as balls out here. Just makes you straight fucking angry. It's like you go back in a nice air conditioning, and my God, the sweat drips into your eyeballs, and you just get all, I don't know, on with the show. I'm bitching too much. Ice cold AC. There it is. Hope you guys like it. All right, yeah, it revs up nice. It's a Jeep. Small little crack there. They're famous for that too. There's the VIN number. Check it out. Cool. There's the top of it. All right, guys. Hope you like it. This is Mark signing out. Hot as hell. 2004 Jeep Wrangler X.